Bonjour à tous! Welcome to this second review of movies that I've seen at this current 2018 Alliance Française French Film Festival that is happening at the moment in Melbourne, but also in many different cities Australia-wide. So if you are looking for which movies to go see or not, and you value my opinion, maybe you'll be interested in knowing which movies I've seen and what I think about them. If you don't live in Australia, that's okay, because if you really want to see the movies that I'm going to talk about, or that I've talked about, I'm sure you will find a way to watch them. So in the previous episode, in the previous video, I talked about Problemos, and the second movie that I went to see in this huge and very interesting selection for this year is, so the French title is Petit Paysan, so literally small farmer, little farmer, and the English title is not a literal translation, it's called Bloody Milk. So why did I choose to go see this movie, which is a drama? And I said in the last video that I wanted to avoid dramas because I'm very sensitive and I just didn't want to cry, but pure entertainment. But in the last after the Christmas holidays that we spent in France, on the way back in the plane, I started watching Petit Paysan because it was on the offer, like in the entertainment flight offers. And because I had to look after my toddler so much, I only got out of the 11-hour trip to watch 20 minutes of the movie, and that was at the very beginning of the flight. I got very frustrated because I really wanted to see what was happening next. I found this movie, and I do find this movie still riveting, very suspenseful and very original. So what's the story of Petit Paysan? So the main character, which pretty much is not the only human being in the movie, but there are a few actors. So the main character is Pierre, and he's a farmer. By the way, I forgot to say that this movie is the first movie by director, le réalisateur Hubert Charuel. Maybe mistaken, you need to check that, and it got very acclaimed at the 2017 Cannes Festival for the week of the critics. So it's like he is starting his movie career with a bang because it made a huge impression. The reviews for these movies are actually fantastic, and he knows his topic because he comes from a family of farmers himself, and the movie was actually shot in his parents' dairy farm. So when I said that there were a few characters, there's Pierre, and the other main characters of the movie are his cows, and Pierre is in his mid-30s, and basically his life revolves around cows and his work, so milking the cows and looking after them. It's a problem in rural France. Farmers do not have sometimes have problems finding a life partner or have just a social life because the job is so demanding, but he loves it more than anything. And the plot, or the storyline, is that one of his cows gets sick, and it's actually a disease. It's a pandemic as well. It's a deadly virus that they're catching that they don't have the cure for, and the laws are very very strict that if one of the cows is infected, then the whole herd of cows needs to be put down, needs to be killed. But he wants to hide. That's a cockatoo. Woo! No, it's gone. He wants to hide this death from the authorities, and is ready to do anything that it would take to be able to save his herd. And I watched this movie quite late in the evening, and I was just hoping that I would not get like so tired that I would start doze off. But as I said, I was finding it so riveting and telling my husband, I'm stressed, because every step that it takes to try to save his job and pretty much his life, because if he has to close down and lose his herd, then what is he going to do? Is the only thing he's ever done in his life. And each step into the story brings him more deeply into the bad situation, to not say any swear word. Yeah, so how will it end? Can't tell you, obviously, but I highly recommend this movie. And what's interesting also is it's a bit of a counterbalance between like big agricultural groups and firms which may have a lot of money, and the milking would be more industrialized, like mechanic, as opposition to, and it's really well reflected in the French title, Les Petits Paysans, which are more just maybe family businesses or really independent, and who actually really struggle in the real world. My only little downside for the movie is really not linked to the movie itself, but just to my personal like beliefs and what I am with in my thinking and the evolution of my thinking. Well, I'm a vegetarian, but I'm starting to kind of question a little bit the industry of the dairy industry as well. So I was just because of the theme of the story, how to say, it was almost borderline for me ethically to just see like a situation that was happening at a dairy farm. But again, that's really just me, and I thought the movie was very exciting in a whole new way, because really like a suspense and a kind of almost thriller movie with cows. I thought it was really well done.